How to speed up the slow Windows PC or laptop. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you a step-by-step tutorial for that. We'll break it into easy, effective ways for our Windows so you can follow out this method. So if too many applications are launching at startup, slow boot up time can have. That should probably slow up your Windows. So we can go over to our task manager, press Windows Shift plus ESC and go to Startup tab. This one right here. Once you go to startup type, we can just go and disable the application that we do not need. Right click on those and select the option of disable, such as Spotify, OneDrive, Discord, etc. And we can restart our PC once it is done. Apart from that, we can remove the unnecessary applications as well because old or unused programs take up the resources. So press Windows plus I, go to apps. After that, look out for install applications. And you can just go over and uninstall the application that you're not using. Click on three dot for that and look out for install and do so. Also, you can clean up your disk sometimes. So press Windows plus R, then type in clean, MGR, hit enter. You can select up your drive which you would like to clean. After that, go ahead and click on OK. And you can check the items that you would like to delete. It should calculate how much data you have. You can just go and check mark those and click on OK, and that should clear up space for your disk as well. And apart from that, you can check for malware or viruses because that should probably drain, or slow down your PC dramatically. So go to Windows Security for that. You can go to settings, look out for Windows Security. Let's directly go to Windows Security. So type in Windows Security and open it up. And within there, you can just go over and look out for virus and threat protections and use malware bytes per second option sometimes, and also quickly scan it up. And that's it. If you are using HDD, you can just go over and switch up to SSD. For HDD, you can just go over and optimize it, and for SSD also you can optimize it. But usually we can just go and follow that method. Also update your Windows to the latest version. Look out for Windows Update and go ahead and update it, and that should also work out for you. Usually those are some of the solutions you can follow up for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.